Uh, Happy evening, my dear friends, and good wishes to my dear students. I would like to interact my students. So I want to teach them how to treat others. So this is a very important factor. If my child, if my students wants to build a good career, wants to settle in the life, he must know how to treat others. A very important point is how you are expected others to treat you, you must also treat them like that only. So how to treat others, very, very important point. The first point is use kind words. What is the need of using words which do not suit others, which do not give correct meaning, and which cannot be provocative, so which cannot be tempting? Use kind words. My dear young children, always use kind words when you are talking to your friends, to your colleagues, to your classmates, and to even anybody. Always try to express your ideas, try to communicate your feelings by using simple words. The basic point in human relations is using simple words. When you are treating others, always treat them by using simple words. Please remember that. The second one is wherever, whenever it is possible for you, help them. And everybody needs help. This time or that time, whatever it may be. Whenever there is an opportunity for you, and if it is possible for you, try to help your friends. Try to help fellow human beings. Very important thing. Then you can get lot of satisfaction. Immense joy you can derive by helping others. So wherever, whenever there is a possibility, please help the fellow human beings. Not necessarily others who don't know, not necessarily strangers, even your classmates who need help, you please help them. Third one is share and take turns. When there is a possibility to share something with your friends or classmates, colleagues, share it. And you can also take when they are offering. So a very important point, listen to what others have to say. When others are saying something, listen. Listen to what others have to say. So, but always don't try to impose your ideas. Always don't push your ideas. Always always don't think that you are only person who want to expose. Let them talk, give them opportunity. So that is an important. So in anybody's personal life, one should be honest and truthful. This is generalized characteristic feature of any human being. You should be honest and always try to speak truth only. That's why once or many times, not even once, Bapuji, the father of nation, used to say, I can conquer the whole world with 3 weapons. First one is truth. Second one is love. Third one is non-violence. So first he had given the preference to truth only. What he said? He could conquer the whole world with 3 weapons. Truth, love and non-violence. So always try to speak truth only. Don't tell the lies. That doesn't give you happiness. One day or other day, telling lies put you in trouble. Why do you invite trouble? Even it is immoral. So, and whatever. So then, think before you speak. When you are speaking something, always introspect whether what you are speaking is true truth or not? Is it necessary for that person or not? Is it essential to tell that immediately or not? So always when you are speaking, before speaking, analyze, introspect, whether what you are speaking is a right one or a wrong one, is a truth or a false, and you can examine whether that is necessary for that person or not. So another important point, remember your manners. Very important. Remember your manners. So how to sit, how to give shake hand. Of course, now this is a time for not giving shake hands because of coronavirus virus. Previously, people used to give shake hands, but now only namaskar. So like this, namaskar. I am recognizing, I am identifying divinity in you when you offer namaskar. Means our philosophy is I am treating you as a God. I am identifying divinity in you. So always when you meet your person, when you meet a stranger, when you meet an elderly person, always try to say namaskar. So that means I am identifying divinity in you. I am bowing my head to the divinity present in you. So what a wonderful thing. So mannerism is very important. So, and remember your manners. Hold your temper. That is important point. So don't get irritated. Don't get tempted. And so don't become angry. And so keep your emotions under control. That is, hold your temper means keep your emotions under control. Today, we are looking at the emotional coefficient. How you can understand your emotions, how best you can keep them under control, how you can be able to understand the emotions of other persons, and after knowing their emotions, how do you behave, how do you react, how do you respond is very important. So today, even recruiters for various positions, various jobs are looking at your EQ levels, not only IQ level. Looking at IQ levels is the old concept. Today people are looking at your EQ level, at your UQ levels, at your AQ levels, at your SQ levels. EQ levels means emotional coefficient or emotional intelligence. So how best you know about yourself, self-awareness. How best you can keep your emotions under control, self-control. And how best you can understand the emotions of others. And how do you behave, social awareness. That comes under even social coefficient. How best you can withstand the unfavorable, unwanted, undesirable, difficult, trauma conditions. That we people are looking at that. So that's why, my dear young students, always keep your emotions under control. Don't get easily tempted. So another important point is think about the feelings of others, which we have discussed. So that is also another important point under emotional coefficient. So that is also very important. How you feel proud of your feelings or your ideas, other people are also of the same opinion. When they don't agree with your ideas, you respect their ideas. How you expect them to respect your ideas in a similar way? That is very important, giving importance to the feelings of others, even if those feelings or those ideas are not in accordance with you, in concurrence with you, and we call it as an agree to disagreement. Follow that. And another important one is work wholeheartedly, play wholeheartedly, and say, you should not cheat when you are playing, and play fairly. And so, and by observing these 10 traits which I have discussed, you can be the better with others, and that means you are developing your social coefficient nowadays. That is also essential for your career, for getting a good job or whatever it be. How best you can interact with others. What we call it as some others interpersonal skills. So you have by behaving in well-suited manner, socially acceptable manner, and you are in harmony with others, so that we call it as you have a higher levels of social coefficient. That could be the useful. So by following the points which I have discussed, you will be the better citizen, you will be the better person in the life, and you will lead a happy life. And so be happy, be positive, be healthy, stay at home, take precautions not to invite corona novel virus towards you, and wishing you all success. Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.